In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Spotify. We will walk through getting the app on your Android phone, then opening it and getting into your account so you can start listening. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon in your app list or on your home screen, and it usually has a multicolor play triangle. Once you tap it, the Play Store home screen appears, with a search bar at the top and different app suggestions below. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the Play Store screen. Type the word Spotify slowly to avoid spelling mistakes, since even a small typo can change the results. As you type, you will see suggestions appear under the search bar, and Spotify should show up near the top of that list. From there, select the result named Spotify Music and Podcasts by Spotify AB. Make sure you tap the one that clearly shows the Spotify name, the green circle icon with 3 curved lines, and the developer listed as Spotify AB. When you open it, you land on the app page, which shows the logo, rating, screenshots, and an install button. Next up, tap the install button. The button is usually green and sits under the app name and icon. As soon as you tap it, the Play Store begins downloading the app file to your device and then installs it automatically, without you needing to confirm anything else. After that, wait for the download to finish. You will see a progress circle or a bar move as the download completes, and the text under the app icon may show downloading and then installing. On a fast connection, this can take only a few seconds, but on slower networks it might be closer to a minute, so just keep the Play Store open until it completes. At this point, once the installation is complete, the install button changes to an open button. Tap Open to launch Spotify for the first time. The Spotify splash screen appears with the logo, and then the main welcome screen loads, offering options to log in or sign up. You will also now find the Spotify icon added to your app drawer for next time. With Spotify open, sign in or create a Spotify account. If you already have an account, choose the login option and enter your email and password, or use one of the sign-in methods shown on screen. If you are brand new, choose the sign-up option and follow the prompts to add your email, create a password, and set your basic details. Once you finish this step, the Spotify home screen appears with recommended music and podcasts ready to play. You have now downloaded Spotify on your Android device and signed in so you can start listening right away. If this helped you get Spotify up and running, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick guides like this.